Welcome back for another edition of Taylor4Trends. This month, we look at 4 trends in the world of digital marketing. 4 topics, each offering very different opportunities for marketers and benefits to consumers. The common thread? All 4 rely on digital technology that didn't exist even 1 generation ago. And all 4 are likely to be hot topics in 2024. Here are the 4 digital marketing trends to watch in the coming year. Trend number 1, personalization driven by artificial intelligence, or AI. Epsilon found that 80% of consumers are more likely to make a purchase if the customer experience is personalized. AI is the ultimate technology for making personalization possible on a mass scale. Just look at Netflix. 80% of what's viewed by Netflix subscribers is driven by an AI-based recommendation algorithm. Expect to see AI-driven personalization in things like recommendation engines, marketing offers, and customer segmentation techniques. Trend number 2, chatbots. Jupiter Research says chatbots drove nearly $3 billion in retail spending in 2019. That number is expected to top $140 billion in 2024. Here again, AI is the difference maker. Thanks to advances in natural language processing and AI, chatbots are being promoted from consumer support roles to conversational marketing strategies. Watch for chatbots to initiate personalized conversations, gather user preferences, and recommend products customer by customer. Trend number 3, video marketing. A recent Wise Owl study shows that 91% of consumers want to see more online video content from their favorite brands. Wise marketers will give them what they're looking for. According to Forbes, consumers retain 95% of the information contained in a video. So are you listening? Watch for more use of video in showcasing products and telling in-depth brand stories. And there's a trend within a trend. Live stream video is expected to take off in 2024 as brands host live events for product launches and behind-the-scenes experiences. And trend number 4, first-party data collection. The cookieless future is almost here as tech giants like Google start to phase out third-party cookies. Instead, marketers will need to engage consumers using less invasive technology. First-party data collection will be a hot topic in 2024 as marketers seek to gather information directly from their prospects and customers. Expect things like website registrations, newsletter signups, and in-app interactions to take the place of cookies. That brings us to the end of our latest edition of Taylor4Trends. Next month, I'll have another 4 trends to tell you about. And I promise to do it in 4 minutes or less.